made up of this culture and family who believes in faith and community. So it embodies not only the holiday season, but friendliness and hospitality during all time of the year.
Shipshewana is a great place for families to come visit. My family comes here all the time. It's just a safe place. So families come and feel safe about the kids coming around and doing different things.
So some of the top lodging options here in Shipshewana include the Farmstead Inn, which we're in right now. Some of the things that make that so unique are just the little touches that our housekeepers put on things. Christmas is an amazing time. They spend days decorating, and you can probably see some things behind us. It does make for a beautiful Christmas time for family, and you can come enjoy our decorations. The other things that make us so special, we have a great breakfast area. A lot of hotels don't necessarily provide hot breakfast as part of the amenities, and so some of those amenities set us apart.
It is a community that welcomes visitors to enjoy handmade, homemade, a step back in time. The fried chicken and the mashed potatoes that Grandma used to make. That's what Shipshewana is all about.
Dining in Shipshewana and food in Shipshewana in general is really important because Amish country, the food is more than just the food. It's also a time for families to get together and share their stories throughout the day, hand recipes down over generations. So we really, while we serve great food here in Shipshewana, it's also a time to come and experience those relationships with family, friends, just to get together.
The Blue Gate Garden Inn is right next door to the Performing Arts Center. It's an amazing place to stay, and then you can just walk from the show right to the room. And then on the north side of town, we have the Van Buren, and it's a great place to stay as well and enjoy amenities like the pool and some conference areas. So they all have some uniqueness, and they're all individual owned hotels. And so that's really what sets us apart is we put some special touches in Shipshewana on our hotel stays for our guests that the typical downtown big city doesn't.
During the holiday season, Shipshewana just explodes with color and festivity. We have some people and merchants and entrepreneurs who are kids at heart, and they can't wait to welcome other people here. The more the merrier. And yes, there are times when it's busy with lots of people lining up for the lights of joy, but we ask people to pack a cup of hot cocoa from the local coffee shop, to fuel up with the donuts from Rise and Roll, grab a pretzel from JoJo's, and make it an experience and adventure. So Shipshewana in Christmas time is certainly magical.
So Shipshewana Lights of Joy has hundreds of displays. It has holiday displays. Definitely want to keep in mind the meaning of Christmas, so we keep the nativity in there. Kids of all ages are just in awe of the lights. I say in awe, and I almost express that right now, right? You can't look one direction and see bumblebees or flowers, or the other direction you see the nativity, you see drive-through light arches, and it's just an amazing experience for families. I can sit here and really hear my kids going, oh, look at that. It's always a guess as to what light is what, what display is this? Oh, that's my favorite from last year. It's become an experience that is a tradition for families in the area.
A wrap up to the perfect day here in Shipshewana obviously is the Blue Gate Theater. When you're out shopping and going to the flea market and going around town, the perfect cap to the evening is just coming in, relaxing, and enjoying world-class entertainment.
Shipshewana's best kept Christmas secret, I would say, starts with the amazing light parade. Every year, the beginning of November, our town has a parade all lit up at night, horse-drawn carriages all lit up, lots of food trucks, lots of vendors, and that kicks off our holiday season. After the parade, it culminates with a big lighting of the giant 53-foot Christmas tree, reading of the traditional Christmas story. It provides that home and hearth that really is the reason for the season. And that embodies this community and this town. At that time, the light switch goes on and Christmas happens. The Lights of Joy takes over, the decorations happen, and people come to flock to get their Christmas card photo taken. It really is an amazing place.